A line. A square. Telescope. Typewriter. Grizzly bear. Hey bear. You're a typewriter.
Boat, pizza, Statue of Liberty, snowman, whale, spider monkey, Richard Nixon, Old Faithful. I know why the cage bird sings.
Time! 20 answers in 43 seconds!
No!
Yeah! Woohoo!
You did pretty well, though.
Hey guys, sorry, it's my dad.
여보세요? What's going on? Do you need to go?
Nah, they just checking in.
Yeah, Sitch.
Here you go.
Okay.
Yeah, much better. Thanks, Chloe.
My pleasure. Hey, so you guys ready for some bubble tea?
Yeah, bubble tea!
Losers, bye!
Oh, yeah? You want a bubble fight?
Chloe? Hey, what's up? It's Amy. We're in the same biochem class. This is Chloe. You know the prodigy girl at our school? Oh, hey. Why? Hey, you should join our study group. We meet every Wednesday after class. It'll be great. Yeah, okay. Maybe. I don't know if I can, though. Oh, well, no pressure. If you ever change your mind, give me a call. I'll see you later. Bye.
Yeah.
What?
That was super awkward.
What's wrong? Is she bullying you at school?
No, I just...
Come on, that girl wanted to be your friend. She was really cool.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
Do you ever hang out with your classmates?
Not really. I mean, I hang out with you guys.
Wait, are we and Ray, you making new friends?
No, it's just... It's not like they want to hang out with me.
What? That's crazy. You're Chloe. You're awesome. This is unacceptable. Okay, we're going to give you all the secrets.
What secrets?
How to become super popular, you silly. We'll be showing you how to make new friends.
I spare one make them love Chloe.
I don't know.
Chloe, yeah, trust me on this. This will be good. At the end of this mission, everybody's going to want to be your friend.
Okay.
Woohoo!
All right, let's do this.
And let me take this phone number of Amy's in case she ever calls me. I mean, if she calls Chloe.
Okay, first tip. People like compliments. If you want to look confident, you gotta make yourself look bigger.
How do I do that?
I'll give a demonstration. Check this out. Easy breezy? No.
I don't know, Grizz.
You got this. Okay, first you gotta put those guns real high, then show your biggest confident smile. There, you're ready now. Get out of here. Well, she's gotta come back for the first, and when she does, boom, new friend.
In all the romantic movies I've seen, the way to get people to like you is to stumble, drop all your fancy papers, and then magically the person of your dreams comes to your rescue. In your case, it will be your new friend. Go follow on friendship. You're a natural.
I thought this was about making friends, not fighting enemies.
All life bears friends, our future enemies. Hello.
All right, master the techniques. Time to put them to the test.